Below is a step-by-step setup for using Nord Virtual Private Network on iPhone or Android during the 2026 Hungarian Grand Prix weekend. A virtual private network can help you access streaming services that you are already entitled to use while traveling or when your normal location changes. Make sure your chosen broadcaster's terms allow virtual private network use, since some streaming services block virtual private network connections. Before race weekend, 1. Install Nord Virtual Private Network iPhone iPad. 1. Open the App Store. 2. Search for Nord Virtual Private Network. 3. Install the official app. 4. Open it and sign in. Android. 1. Open Google Play Store. 2. Search for Nord Virtual Private Network. 3. Install the app. 4. Sign in with your Nord account. 2. Allow virtual private network permissions. The first connection will ask permission to add a virtual private network profile. Accept the prompt and authenticate with your phone passcode and biometrics, if requested. 3. Update everything. Update Nord Virtual Private Network app, iOS, Android software, your streaming app, for example, your local F1 broadcaster app. iPhone steps 1. Open Nord Virtual Private Network. 2. Tap Login. 3. Tap Secure My Connection for the fastest automatic server, or choose a country manually. 4. For Hungarian GP streaming, pick the country where your legal streaming service is available. Wait until Nord Virtual Private Network shows connected. 5. Open your F1 streaming app. 6. Sign in. 7. Start the session. Practice qualifying race. If the stream does not load, 1. Close the streaming app completely. 2. Disconnect Nord Virtual Private Network. 3. Reconnect to a different server in the same country. 4. Reopen the streaming app. Number Android steps. 1. Open Nord Virtual Private Network. 2. Log into 3. Tap Secure My Connection or open the country list. 4. Select your desired country server. 5. Approve the virtual private network connection request. 6. Wait for the connection indicator. 7. Open your streaming app and start watching. For better streaming performance, choose a server geographically close to the broadcaster's region. If one server buffers, try another server in the same country. Use the fastest virtual private network protocol available in Nord Virtual Private Network settings if your app offers protocol selection. Example workflow. Traveling outside your home country. 1. Activate your legal F1 streaming subscription. 2. Install Nord Virtual Private Network. 3. Connect to the subscription-supported country. 4. Open the broadcaster app. 5. Watch the Hungarian GP weekend. At home but testing before race day. 1. Connect Nord Virtual Private Network. 2. Open your stream.